So we'll begin with the control statement. You already know what is control statement. It's if else if, but in Python it is if else, and if-elif and else. Okay, and loops is while and for. So later on we will deal with the for loop, but in this video we will see what is the control statement. Okay, in a brief. So first of all, what is program? We already know program is a collection of your statement. Okay. Now, what is control statement? Control statement is used to control execution of the statement line by line. Okay. Basically, program executes statement by statement, line by line execution, but we want to control the execution of the statement. Then control the statement comes in the picture. Now, for example, we want to filter a class if boys come, then on right side, if girls come, then on left side. Okay. That time we provide the condition, if condition, and for such a condition we use the control statement. Now the program it is a collection of statement. Again, if a boy send to right side, if a girl send to left side. Now I am taking here a equal to input. Okay, why we use input? From taking the output from the user side at the runtime. Now enter name of student, p equal to input, enter mark of the student, print name of the student, a dot center 80, and print marks of 0, format b dot center of 80, again f marks b dot center of 80. Okay. Now I want to enter the name of the student at the runtime. Let's say it's Sagar, and enter of the marks of students it's 80. Name of the student Sagar. Okay, marks and marks is 80. So this is only the print function. Now if syntax is there, if condition S1 and S2 is there, now condition evaluates to true, then it's run statement S1 and S2. Okay, condition પછી જે આવે that is called the indent. એને indent કહેવાય, કોઈ indent કહે सकते हैं, right? Now indent or always give a space equal to tab, 4 spaces in next line. Okay. Now if false, print hello world. I am taking it. So no output because of we give directly false value to the condition. So consider false condition. If condition false, then no execution of a statement. If true, print hello world. Again, I am taking it. True, then hello world. Hello world is there. Number equal to integer input slash an entry. Any number you have to enter. If number module 2 equal to 0, then print f slash number is even. Okay, now I'm taking the number, let's say 20, so 20 is even number. Okay, now here I am taking again one more example. Number equal to int input, enter any number you want. If number module 2 equal to 0, print slash n numbers is even. Now print slash n end of program. Okay, so that is called intendi bar check. So always execute thase. So if it is there in intent, okay, if it is outside the intent, then it will be executed, otherwise not. Okay, now enter any number 20. 20 is even, end of the program. Simple. So this is outside intent, so it will be printed. Okay, that is why I written in the Gujarati also. Okay, the lots of comments are there in the mail that sir, please keep in Gujarati, but I don't have to keep in Gujarati the whole video, so I speak in Hindi also little bit during the video. So હવે તો comment પણ બધાઈ દીધી છે ગુજરાતીમાં, so you can read it. Okay, you have just pause the video and just read the comment in Gujarati. Now as equal to null I'm taking, and if hello world, print is hello. Now if as equal to print hi world, and again I am print, this is out of the nested if. Again I am just printing out just because of you clear the concept of if. Again I am print welcome over here. Okay, यहाँ पे spacing है, ये ध्यान रखना. Okay, spacing है. Now hello, this is out of the nested if, and welcome तीनों are. Okay, it is outside of your intent, that is why it is come. Now if else. Okay, If then condition, then S1 S2, else then condition S3 S3, S3 S4, not else, then not any kind of condition. Sorry, statement yoga, statement S3 and S4. Now if condition evaluates to true, then it runs S1 and S2, else it return S3 and S4. मतलब false हसे अगर false होगा तो S3 and S4 return करेगा, right? Now if hello world, print hi, else print pi. Again I am taking hi, so it will, I am just running the output, shift enter, so it will, your output will be hi. Now I am running if s print hi, else print pi. I am just running the output, so it will print the pi. Okay. Now I am taking number equal to integer, input slash an entry. Okay, enter any number. If number greater than 0, then it is positive, else it is negative. Enter any number 50, it is positive. Just because of it is greater than 0. Okay. If I'm taking -1, so it will be negative. Okay. Now person can vote or not. Here I'm taking the one more example, name equal to input, enter the name of the person. Again age, integer input, enter the age of the person. If age greater than or equal to 18, print fname can vote. Again else print fname cannot vote. Enter the name of the person, it's Sagar. Enter age of the person 20, Sagar can vote. Okay, because it is greater than 20. So this is how you can use if and else. Okay, now how to execute this in the CMD in your command prompt. Okay, first create the scripting file using the vim command. Vim we already know. Vim first.py, then enter code and save it. Okay, now you have to run the file python dot slash first.py. Okay, whatever your file name is. Again, using Jupyter Notebook, we can create using modulo, then write the file name and .py. Okay. Now here my file name is modulo, write file first program.py. If I want to run in the CMD, then the whole program as it is, which I explained you, right? Now, this is overwriting first program.py. Okay. Whenever I type ls, then it will give you this kind of lines, okay, in the CMD. Okay. Now, single line if else statement. Okay. Note that જ્યારે single line માં if else use થાય, at that time intent nahi use karwa. Okay, you don't have to use the intent. That is why I written in the Gujarati. Okay, just keep that in mind. This note, you don't have to use the intent. Now print hi if true, else print pi. Okay, suppose if true to print hi કરશે and if false થાય else વાળે line to print again. Again I am checking, so your output will be high. Okay, now n equal to integer, input slash and enter number, print even if n modulo 2 equal to 0. You know what is equal to. Okay, you know what is modulo, we already done in the operator. Else print odd, again enter number 20 and it is even, so it will be print the even. Again print hello world if input slash and enter value, else print by world. Now enter value Sagar, hello world. It's printing the hello world. Okay. Now I'm taking print hello world if input slash and enter value. Again else print by world. I am just executing 0. So your output will be hello world. Okay. Not the else person. Okay. Else का print नहीं होगा. Again, print hello world if int input slash and enter value, else print by world. Okay, now 0, int ma 0 as a false condition normally. Int ma convert કર્યા વગર જો આપણે 0 આપીએ, okay, તો 0 આપીએ તો એઝ અ સ્ટ્રિંગ જ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ થશે. ઓકે, સો એ ટાઈમ પર કન્ડિશન ટ્રુ થાય. At that time, that condition will be true whenever you give 0 in the string. Okay, understand that line. Enter value 0 by world. Now, print hello world. If print, again print statement, welcome to world, else print by world. Okay, print known after printing the statement. Print will return the known. If known is there, then go to else part. Okay, welcome to world, and no, bye. Now, if elif and else syntax. So basic syntax is there. If condition 1, statement 1, statement 2, elif condition 2, s3, s4, statement 3, statement 4, elif condition 3, statement 5, else. Okay, s6 means statement 6. Again, I am taking positive or negative or a zero number. Num integer input slash enter any number. If number equal to greater than equal to not greater than equal to number greater than 0, then print positive. Equal to 0, then print 0. And if num less than 0, then print the negative. Enter any number. I am taking -1, so it will be go in the negative part, means in elif. So this is how you can use elif. Okay, in previous language it is called if else if, but in Python we can call elif. Okay, now I'm taking d equal to 1. Again, I am taking the dictionary. 1 Monday to Tuesday up to Sunday. Okay. Now number integer input, enter your number to print the if number in d dot keys. If number in d dot keys, okay, number वहां पे होगा keys में, then at that time they have to print list dot d values and numbers, else print number is not accessed in the dictionary. Simple as that. I am taking enter your number to be print. I am taking the 2 over there. I am just tapping the 2. Yes, it is there. Understand? Okay. Output will be there. Now I am taking key. Key equal to integer input slash and enter any number. If key greater than equal to 1 and key less than equal to 7, at that time I have to print d dot key. Okay, d and key, else print slash an invalid key. Enter any number 2, Tuesday, RI. Okay, की key है Tuesday. Again, ठीक है. Again, key equal to integer input slash and enter any number. If d dot get key, print d of key, else print slash an invalid key. Okay, now enter any number. I am taking 5. 5 किसकी की है? Friday. ठीक है. Now L equal to I am taking the long list 10, 20, 32, 45, 67, 89, 12 and 23 and 24. Again I am taking numbers, integer input slash and enter any number. If number in L, अगर number L में होगा, then it will be print number of number. L if number of 2 in L. Now print f number multiply by 3, else print number multiplied by 2 and enter. I am taking the 5, so number is 25. Okay, this will be your output. Why it is 25? You need to follow this code. That's why it is 25. Okay, I am taking the 5. Okay, now I am taking another program. L equal to same list and number equal to integer input slash an entry number. If number module 2 equal to 0, then it will print the even. If number module 5 equal to 0, then L of 0 it will print, and number module 10 equal to 0, so it will print L of 2. Again else print L of 5. Okay, else always last wala, I mean it is always in the last. Okay, if thus response curses, that means it will be respond to last always. Okay, so enter any number. I am taking 20 over here, so it's even. Okay, now first number is 10, and after 20 it's 32. So it will print that number. Okay. Now I'm taking another program, and the last one, if L of 0 greater than 5, then print hi, else if L of 0 less than 2, then print hello, else print pi. Okay, I'm just shift and enter means the running the program, and my output will be high, right? Because my L is greater than 5. That is why it will return the high. Okay. Now L equal to, I am taking the same list 10 to 34. Print high if L of 0 greater than 20, else print hello. If L of 0 less than 2, else print pi. So it will be by, of course. Okay. Because it is less than 2. Because just because of that, it will be written by. Okay. So this is all about your control statement. We will see the loops while and for loop in our next session, means our next video. Okay, keep practicing and always be a learner. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. All the best.